In this episode, we discover if peanut butter and jelly goes well with alcohol. It probably doesn't.
Sit back in your seats, get something to eat, and watch this movie. Don't let the kiddies see it, because, well, we'll let you hear the beginning first. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Gary. I'm not a bartender. Welcome back to another episode of Casually Drinking. So as you might have guessed from the title, we're mixing weird stuff with alcohol. So you're probably sitting there thinking, now Gary, why are you gonna make a PB&J cocktail? The reason on why I wanted to do this is because my favorite channel on YouTube, Ordinary Adventures, made a TikTok of them trying the peanut butter and jelly seltzer from Knott's Berry Farm. And I thought to myself, hey, why not make that? So pretty straightforward. You rim your glass with peanut butter, add some ice, fill your glass with your favorite strawberry seltzer, and there you have it, the peanut butter and jelly seltzer from Knott's. Now that's good and all, but what if we took it up a notch? Let's make a strawberry mojito with a peanut butter rim. These are the ingredients you're gonna need. Let's get to mixing. And there you have it, the strawberry mojito with the peanut butter rim. Let's give this one a try, shall we? Not bad, but I think we could do something better. You guys are probably gonna hate me for this, but let's try this. And there you have it, 3 interesting cocktails that involve peanut butter and jelly. I'm gonna give this one drink a try, even though it looks pretty nasty and foamy for some reason. Okay, the taste was surprisingly not that bad. The whiskey goes well with the peanut butter, and it's almost refreshing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give a like and subscribe if you're new. Also, be sure to comment what kind of drink you'd love to see me make. And don't forget to hit that notification bell icon to see when I upload. As always guys, see you on the next one.